Hello, and welcome to a brand new video that could potentially change your life. As we look forward to the year 2024, one thing remains ever so apparent. The world of blogging is not only alive and well, it's thriving with opportunities. Yes, you heard it right. In the era of short-form content and video streaming, blogging continues to hold its ground as a viable platform for expression, connection, and yes, making money. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of turning your words into wealth, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we'll unpack the process of setting up a blog, creating quality content, monetizing your work, and staying relevant in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. We're here to guide you on this exciting journey. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of blogging. The first step in your blogging journey is to choose a niche. This is a crucial decision as it will shape the content you create, the audience you attract, and the ways you can monetize your blog. It's essential to select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Blogging about something you're passionate about will not only make the process more enjoyable, but also shine through in your content, attracting readers who share your enthusiasm. However, passion alone isn't enough. You also need to consider market demand. Is there an audience for your chosen niche? Can you offer a fresh perspective or valuable information that isn't readily available elsewhere? Conducting thorough market research can help you strike the right balance between passion and demand, ensuring your blog has the potential for success. Remember, a well-chosen niche can be the foundation of a successful blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to choose your blogging platform. Now this is where the magic of blogging truly begins. Imagine the blogging platform as your stage, your canvas, your digital real estate. The good news is that there are numerous platforms at your disposal. WordPress, Blogger, and Medium are some of the household names in the blogging world, each with its own unique set of features and user experiences. But how do you choose the right one? Well, it all boils down to your needs and goals. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and the potential for monetization. If you're a beginner, you might want a platform that's user-friendly and requires minimal technical know-how. If you're all about aesthetics, look for platforms that offer a wide range of design and customization options. And of course, if making money is your end game, ensure the platform supports various monetization strategies. Choosing the right platform can set you on the right path and make your blogging journey smoother. With your blog set up, it's time to fill it with compelling content. But what does compelling content look like, and how do you create it? That's where content strategy comes into play. It's your game plan, your roadmap for creating content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Imagine your content strategy as a well-crafted menu at a restaurant. You wouldn't serve only appetizers, right? You'd want to offer a variety of dishes from starters to desserts. Similarly, your blog should have a mix of evergreen and trending topics. Evergreen content is like your main course, timeless and always in demand. It's content that remains relevant over time, like how-to guides or tips and tricks in your niche. On the other hand, trending topics are like your daily specials. They're hot, they're current, and they can drive a lot of traffic to your blog. However, they might not be in demand forever. Balancing these two types of content can keep your blog fresh and relevant. Now let's talk about writing compelling content. You could have the most fantastic ideas in the world, but if you can't express them clearly and engagingly, they won't resonate with your audience. So how do you make your writing compelling? First, understand your audience. Know their pain points, their interests, their language. Write for them, not for yourself. Second, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Use short sentences, clear language, and break up your text into manageable chunks. Third, make it personal. Use stories, anecdotes, real-life examples. People connect with stories, not facts and figures. Finally, don't forget to add a dash of personality. Your unique voice is what sets you apart from the rest. It's what makes your content truly yours. Remember, content is king. It's what will attract and retain your audience. So take the time to craft it carefully, strategically, and with your audience in mind. Because when you do, you'll find that your blog isn't just a collection of posts, it's a destination for your audience. A place they come to for inspiration, information, and engagement. Now that you have great content, let's talk about making money. Monetizing your blog isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about creating a sustainable income stream that rewards you for the value you provide to your audience. Let's start with ad revenue. This is one of the most common ways to monetize a blog. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to display targeted ads on your site, earning you money every time a visitor clicks on an ad. But remember, the key to maximizing ad revenue is balance. You don't want to compromise the user experience by cluttering your blog with ads. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services on your blog. When your readers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The trick here is choosing affiliate products that are relevant to your niche and genuinely useful to your audience. Last but not least, there's sponsored content. This can take many forms, from blog posts and social media shoutouts to product reviews and giveaways. Brands pay you to create content that promotes their products or services. However, it's crucial to maintain authenticity when collaborating with brands. Your readers trust you, and you should never betray that trust by promoting a product you don't believe in. So how do you decide which monetization strategy is right for you? Well, it depends on your blog, your audience, and your personal preferences. You might find that a combination of these strategies works best for you. One important thing to remember is that monetization isn't a one-and-done deal. It's something you should continually reassess and refine as your blog grows and evolves. In conclusion, monetizing a blog is a multifaceted process. It involves understanding your audience, choosing the right monetization strategies, and maintaining an unwavering commitment to providing value. The right monetization strategy can turn your blog into a profitable venture. Of course, to make money, you need an audience. You see, a blog isn't just a collection of articles. It's a brand, an identity, a voice that resonates with a specific group of people. Building this brand is a crucial step that often sets successful bloggers apart. Start by defining what your brand stands for. Is it about inspiring creativity, promoting sustainability, or perhaps exploring the unexplored? This essence of your brand should permeate every blog post, social media update, and reader interaction. Your brand isn't just about what you say, but how you say it. Develop a unique voice and style that's consistent across all platforms. This doesn't mean you have to sound like a corporation. In fact, the most successful blogs are often the ones that feel personal and relatable. But a strong brand alone isn't enough. You need people to know about it. This is where the art of growing your audience comes in. It's about getting your blog in front of the right people at the right time and on the right platforms. One key strategy is to leverage the power of social media. Create engaging content that your audience would want to share. Don't just promote your blog posts, but also share snippets of your life, your thoughts, and anything else that aligns with your brand values. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and start conversations. Remember, people love feeling valued and heard. Another effective strategy is to collaborate with other bloggers or influencers in your niche. This not only exposes your blog to a wider audience, but also helps build valuable relationships in the blogging community. As you build your brand and grow your audience, keep in mind that this is a long-term game. It might take months, even years, before you see significant results. But remember, every big blogger started with 0 followers. The key is to stay consistent, stay authentic, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. A strong brand and a loyal audience are key to a successful blog. And with these strategies, you're well on your way to building both. As your blog grows, you may want to explore other income streams. One exciting way to do this is by creating and selling your own products. These can be physical items that resonate with your audience, or digital products like ebooks, online courses, or premium content. This not only adds a new revenue stream but also strengthens the connection with your audience. Another approach is to introduce membership or subscription models. This involves offering exclusive content or benefits to those who sign up for a small fee. You can provide early access to your posts, personalized advice, or members-only webinars. This model can create a loyal community around your blog and generate a consistent income. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that these additional services or products align with your brand and offer real value to your audience. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial stability and open up new opportunities. To stay successful, you need to stay relevant. This mantra rings true especially in the dynamic world of blogging. The digital landscape is ever-changing with new technologies, platforms, and trends emerging regularly. As a blogger, adapting to these changes isn't just beneficial, it's essential. In 2024, what does this mean for you? In essence, it's about staying informed and being flexible. Keep your finger on the pulse of the blogging world. Follow thought leaders, subscribe to industry newsletters, and participate in online forums. This will help you to spot trends early and adjust your strategy accordingly. One significant trend is the increasing importance of multimedia content. Readers don't just want text anymore. They crave rich, engaging content that includes images, videos, infographics, and podcasts. By incorporating these elements into your blog, you can make your content more engaging and shareable. Moreover, technology is transforming the way we consume content. With the rise of voice search and AI, it's crucial to optimize your blog for these new technologies. Think about how your content can be consumed not just on a screen but also through smart speakers or virtual assistants. In addition to trends, it's also crucial to stay up to date with SEO best practices. Search engines are continually updating their algorithms, and what worked a year ago might not work today. By staying current with SEO trends, you can ensure your blog stays visible and continues to attract organic traffic. A great place to start is by ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, given the increasing number of users accessing content via their smartphones. Also focus on creating high-quality, valuable content. Search engines are getting smarter and are prioritizing content that offers real value to readers. Remember, staying relevant isn't about chasing every new fad that comes along. It's about understanding your audience, anticipating their needs, and delivering content that resonates with them. It's about being adaptable without losing sight of your unique voice and brand identity. By staying relevant and adapting to changes, you can ensure your blog's continued success. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money with blogging in 2024. We've traveled through the evolution of blogging, the importance of finding your niche, and selecting the right platform to host your thoughts. We've explored the art of creating engaging content, balancing the evergreen and the trendy, and incorporating multimedia elements that enrich your blog posts. We've ventured into the vast world of monetization, from ad revenue to affiliate marketing to sponsored content. We've stressed the significance of building a strong brand identity and growing a dedicated audience. We've highlighted the value of diversifying your income streams and the necessity of adapting to trends and optimizing your blog for search engines. Now it's your turn. Take these strategies, implement them, refine them to fit your unique voice and vision. Remember, the journey of blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and above all, enjoy the process.